Hello everyone, welcome to the web development course. This course module is divided into two parts. The first one is the front end development and the second one is the back end development. In the front end development we will be using HTML, CSS and the JavaScript. In the back end we will be using PHP and some databases. HTML is used for creating the web pages and CSS is used for adding designs to them, and JavaScript is used for making web pages interactive, and the final PHP is used for the backend operations like calling the server, adding the data into the database, retrieving the data, deleting the data. After the completion of this whole course, you will be able to design a complete website, an interactive website through HTML, CSS and the JavaScript. And you also will be able to add the data in the database, retrieve the data and delete the data from the database through PHP. In this whole course we will be using only two tools here. For the HTML, CSS and the JavaScript I will be using any code editor like Notepad, Notepad++, Sublime, Atom, and for the backend we'll be using XAMPP or web server. The course we will be covering in this web development course is consisting of 27 lectures. So here is the list of web development course content. First of all, we have these 4 lectures of HTML, and then we have CSS lectures here. Then we will be covering JavaScript. Then we will be covering PHP here, and in the last we will be covering databases. Now I'm going to Google and I will show you the project we will be covering. So this is the project we will be covering in this whole course. Like, this is the website we will be building there. This is the main page of the website. This is shop section, team section and the contact section here. This is the footer of the website and this is the header of the website here. We will be also making all these stuff. So if you go to shop section and you are filling your name like Hashir, and this is my address 1 PO, and if I'm clicking on this buy button, so the details are added in the database. If I'm going to XAMPP and I'm going to admin panel here, you will see the database is here. So this is my database and this is my data table here. So you see here there is ID 13 with Hashir and the address we have entered there, you can see here, is added here. I'm going back and I'm going to admin panel. I'm entering username and password. So you see here we have shown the data here on this website page. The 13th number we have entered there, right? If I'm clicking on this remove button, the record ID with 13 is deleted. If I'm going back, you can see here the 13th element is deleted from here. So we will be covering all this stuff in this course here.